Welcome to our show. I'm Harper. I'm Hadley. Let's make some turkey cupcakes. Let's get started. First, make your cupcakes according to the box directions. Let's make these turkeys. Now add your icing to the cupcakes. Now let's make the face. Use Reese's, candy eyeballs, and gummy worms. Okay. Put the faces on your cupcake.
Cute.
They're matchy.
Show Daddy. Turn it around and show Daddy. Look at that.
Add the Reese's pieces for the tail feathers. 1, 2.
Hang on.
They should look like this. Now, the part you've all been waiting for. Dig in! Comment down below what you want to expect next time. Bye! This is so good.
Yeah.
Yummy.